Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone notifications not showing or working. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your iPhone isn't in silent mode or focus mode, as these can prevent notifications from appearing. If focus is enabled, turn it off from the control center. Next, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This refreshes the system and can resolve temporary software glitches without deleting your data. If notifications still aren't working, go to Settings, Notifications. Turn off scheduled summaries so notifications arrive immediately instead of being grouped. Also, set Show Previews to Always. After that, select the app you're having trouble with and make sure Allow Notifications is enabled. Turn on Lock Screen, Notification Center, banners, sounds, and badges if needed. It's also worth checking the app's own notification settings, since many apps let you control alerts separately. Make sure your iPhone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, as internet access is required for most push notifications. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it from Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Finally, update your apps from the App Store, install the latest iOS update, and if the problem persists, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset All Settings. This resets system settings without deleting your personal data. So that's basically how you can fix iPhone notifications not showing or working. That's it for this video. Thanks!